In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share assets in Adobe XD using Creative Cloud libraries. This is a great way to ensure consistency across your design projects and collaborate effectively with others by accessing shared assets like colors, character styles, and components. Let's start by opening or creating an Adobe XD document that contains the assets you want to share. If you're starting fresh, take a moment to create or import the colors, character styles, and components you'll need. Once your document is ready, it's time to convert it into a cloud document. To do this, navigate to the File menu and select Save As. In the dialog that pops up, make sure to choose Cloud Document. This will save your file to Creative Cloud, making it easily shareable and accessible from anywhere. Now that your document is saved in the cloud, the next step is to open the Document Assets panel. You can do this by going to the View menu and selecting Assets, or simply use the left panel to get there. This panel displays all the colors, character styles, and components within your document. With the Document Assets panel open, you'll notice a little library icon at the top right of the panel. Click on this icon to Publish as a Library. This action will open the Libraries Manager dialog. Here, you'll need to give your new library a name. Take a moment to choose a meaningful name that reflects its contents. While you're here, you'll also want to set the appropriate permissions. Decide who can view or edit the library and make the changes accordingly. Once that's configured, click on Publish to make your library available. Now that your assets are safely stored in the library, they become visible to any other users with access permissions. This means anyone you share the library with can view and use the assets in their projects as well. This brings us to using a published library in other projects, which is especially useful for maintaining uniformity across different designs. To use your library in another XD project, open a different document or create a new one. Head over to the Libraries panel by accessing the Window menu and selecting Libraries, or by using the corresponding icon. In this Libraries panel, you'll find the library you just published. Select it to access all the shared assets it contains. Thanks to the magic of Creative Cloud, you can drag these colors, character styles, or components directly from the library into your current document. These assets are considered linked, meaning that any updates made to the library will be indicated in your document with a small blue badge. This tells you that a newer version is available. Simply accept the update to ensure that your design remains consistent with the latest assets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share and use assets across Adobe XD projects using Creative Cloud libraries. By integrating these steps into your workflow, you can enhance collaboration and consistency across your design projects.